Okay, once again, I welcome you back on DA3 Media. Today, we've been seeing Equity Bank going on different places to register new accounts for people here in the diaspora. But today, I also decided to intervene to get to ask some of the questions you guys would like to get answers about with Equity Bank. And here today, I'm with the man himself, Mr. Anthony Chituka. Today, I decided to intervene in this thing. It's a big thing, of course, because Equity Bank is one of the banks in Uganda that we can talk about if you come to think the thing of saving money, and it gets to be saved. I'm with the man himself here, Anthony Chituka, the managing director, Equity Bank, and I think he's the right person to ask these questions. I wanted to ask a question firstly. People out there would like to hear about Equity Bank. I would like you to tell us precisely about Equity Bank, then we shall proceed from there.
Okay, thank you very much, Wills, and thank you, DX3 Media. I think, first of all, let me begin by thanking the teams in the media who are helping us spread the message about banking and financial services and how they can improve your lives. Equity Bank is about transforming lives, giving dignity, and expanding opportunities for wealth creation. We're the number 3, number 4 bank in Uganda in terms of size. We have over 50 branches, almost 10,000 agents. We are one of the leading banks in terms of digital banking, that is mobile and online banking. We're a solid bank, very solid. We're part of a group whose asset value is almost $20 billion, operating in Kenya, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania, South Sudan, DRC, and a rep office in Ethiopia. So we have over 2.2 million customers at the moment, and we are very big on the diaspora. My team has been here for almost 3 or 4 weeks, focusing on listening to the diaspora people and addressing their issues, reactivating their accounts, and telling them about our services around loans, deposit accounts, investments, saving, etc. So once again, thank you for hosting us. We've got an overwhelming response, and we look forward to addressing any issues or talking about ourselves and how we can help diasporans actually improve their lives.
Okay, so many years has passed due to this year that we are in, that 2024.
Yes.
Why is it that you guys have decided to come in 2024 to get to do, to interact with the people in the diaspora? Like, for example, I would say in the UAE.
Yes.
I don't know, we shall reach that. I don't know you guys, which plans are you having to go to other diasporas, but as it is that I have you here today, I would like to get through all the questions that I would like my people out there to hear. So we've been having this issue of, it is a major issue.
Yes.
By the way, if you are talking about banking with banks. Recently, we had complaints being passed through social medias. Someone can come out and complain that my money got stuck on the way, it did not reach my account, I did not get a message. That issue may have been making people to be in fear that someone can get to delay getting the message, and it gets to be panicking that, is it really my money, is it really safe? Has it reached my account? How am I going to do? Who is that person am I going to reach? Talking about that, I would like to hear from you how you guys interact with such a situation if it gets to happen with someone trying to bank his money back in Uganda. You know, people like to bank their money in their mother country.
Yes.
Yeah, that is of safety.
Yes.
If someone is doing that, he gets to know that I'm here working so hard, but I am saving my money back at home. So what is the process of you guys getting to secure people's money if they get to bank with you?
Okay, I think, first of all, the evolution of, I would say, fraud is has changed. When you are a baby, I don't know how old you are, but maybe even not you, maybe when I was a baby, fraudsters used to come with guns. They go to the bank with a gun, and they go and tell you, give me the money. But now transactions are online. The fraudsters have now evolved to trying to steal your money from the system. And in many cases, people have been what we call socially engineered. Somebody calls you claiming to be from the bank, then ask you for some details, you give the details, and your money is gone. One thing we have always said, and we're doing a campaign called Vera Steady. Do not give your details to anybody.
Keep them
Anybody. PIN, don't give them to anybody. Not your mother, your girlfriend, your children, anybody. Keep them secure. Because now people can call you and say, we're from the bank. The bank will never call you. The bank will never call you. Because the bank can see what they want from the system. What has Equity done? We are focused on educating people. We're focused on improving our security. Every time you do a transaction, you will get a one-time password. The device you told us is yours.
To cut it short, that is the OTP.
Yeah, the OTP, which will tell you, now enter, then confirm the transaction. This is called two-factor authentication. We have made sure we keep asking our customers, please have an email address and a mobile number, so we can use one or the other to confirm it is you. In the unfortunate event that something happens, we have a contact center which is available 24/7, no matter what minute it is or where you are on earth, you can reach us. If you call us and say, I've lost my card, I think my account has been hacked, call us, we will block the account immediately. We will block the account and you complain, even if it's a joke, and keep your money safe. We have an email address, Ugandans abroad, especially for ones who are in diaspora. And that link will be put in your video somewhere. The team will send it to you. We also have a line you can call 24/7. So those things allow us to reach you in the event something has happened. If the bank is at fault, I can assure you Equity Bank is a big bank. We have a lot of money. In Uganda, asset value is almost $1 billion. Surely, how much money you've lost, we replace it if we are responsible. But also allow us to investigate. Sometimes it's not a matter of just saying, I've lost my money, give it back. We have to understand who took your money, how it happened. We must also try to help you arrest these people. Sometimes it's your own loved ones who have taken your money. Sometimes it's your friends. Sometimes you lost your car, you don't remember. Sometimes you gave you information you don't remember. So we ask for a bit of time. We try to make it as fast as possible. You know, you're being inconvenienced. We have enhanced security measures. We have enhanced information measures. That's why we love the press, to help us create awareness, educate people. We have campaigns running, but we also want people to be spoken to. I'm not a desk general. I'm a field general. That's why I've come all the way to Dubai to hear these questions and complaints to my face and tell me the bank did this. And I'll go and check, because you may be helping me fix a problem I did not know the system is doing something or people are doing something. So please, may I come say, tell me your problems direct. If you want to abuse the MD, abuse it in front of my face and tell me this is what it is. And we will discuss. I might educate you on something you're doing wrong. You might educate me on something I don't know. Either way, we'll both learn. And that is the way Equity is. Where you're listening, caring partner. I've come to listen, I've come to care. Educate, right or wrong, both of us, at the end of the day, will both live in a better position. So that is the Equity view. I won't hide in a tower somewhere in Kampala. I'll come on the ground. And you tell me, Anthony, this is a problem. Your staff are doing this. Your system is doing that. It's not doing this. You say this is not working. And I ask my team, what is wrong? How can we fix it? Because the customers want it. Maybe some customers don't even want to say, okay, let's stop that one completely. Nobody wants it. So that is why I'm actually here, in person. Not to hear reports on social media, because those I can get anytime. Not to hear reports written by my team. I want to hear the people themselves. I want to look at them in the eye and say, Wills, tell me, Chiche Chigani.
Well, of course, it gets to happen that we are in countries who tend to use mostly these point-of-sale systems.
Yes.
Of course, people don't like that thing of carrying cash with them. So someone might be there asking himself, how am I going to be helped in this situation? Maybe will I be able to use my debit card to pay it for something in supermarket, in anywhere?
Yes, it's a fantastic question, because as you come to any of the events where Equity is set up a diaspora, if you don't have an account, you will open your account, get an account number, you get your ATM card or your debit card within 30 minutes. You will walk away with it.
So it is a Visa card, right?
I think it's Visa. It's Visa? The card? It's a Visa card, yes.
Okay, that's great. That means it works everywhere.
It works everywhere in the world.
All right.
So you can go tap on any of the machines, get and transact. You can use that same card for online transactions. Because I agree, cash can be complicated.
Of course.
Some places don't even accept cash. They want a card. And so that card, I remember talking about giving dignity. Nothing more annoying than saying, I have cash, and person asks you for card. You want a service, they can't give it to you because you have the wrong means of payment.
You get in a situation that you've given in your money and they don't have that change and all that.
Change. All those things happen. There's the issue sometimes of fake currency, fake cash.
Yeah.
So cash, yes, but the card helps you. So at Equity, for Equity, please come any of our events. You will walk away with your card. You will go away with it.
Okay.
In your names on that day. Not 3 weeks later, not sending you a PIN mailer. You will go there, give you your card, put in your own special code, begin to.
Oh, you're telling me that if I come today to register my account with Equity Bank,
Yes.
I reach a time of going, already I go with my debit card.
In 30
I pay
minutes, maximum. I told my team I want it down to 15 minutes.
Yes.
How you can transact. So by the way, the accounts which you're opening can have zero balance. You can take your money to zero. No minimum balance. No monthly charges. I only charge you when you're taking money out of the bank. So all this again, freedom, convenience.
Sorry to cut you short about what you've been trying to explain. You said you talked of no monthly charges. We've been knowing that banks usually work with the thing of like getting that small cut monthly payment for them to keep your account secure. How about it, like you guys, you're now getting to say that we are not cutting any of your money in that period monthly like that?
Why would I punish you?
How are you gaining it, guys?
Okay.
With
But
our
let me
people?
tell you, why would I punish you for me being a storekeeper for your money? You have trusted me with your money. Why would I punish you for that? There are other ways to make money from the money you give us, but not you. Okay, I should be thanking you for giving me the money.
Okay. There, I get you.
So we want you to bring as much money. So we remove as many barriers. If the monthly charge is what it brings you from, come remove the monthly charge.
All right. I think it's a good answer to the question that I asked. And it is a nice one that you guys would like to hear from him. You are not being cut. There's nothing you're going to pay for them to keep your money safe. You just keep banking with them. If you already have your account with them. If you're not having, please come through. They are still here. They are still with us. So you can come through and create your account with them. They will tell you anything you would like to hear. Anything that I have not asked through here, you can reach in person and get to ask them. They will answer. So lastly, as we are closing,
Yes.
how are you guys prepared with other diasporas? They say so many people in Europe. Okay, are you having a plan of visiting other countries to introduce this system to them?
I think historically, Equity has been mainly focusing on the UK, the US, and Europe, and some parts of Africa. But we are now heavily focused on the probably 300,000 or so people who are in the diaspora in the Middle East. Again, even they may need to be served. And we're seeing a large number coming. So we are definitely looking at how to expand this. We have been mainly I think we're in Abu Dhabi and Dubai on this occasion, but I'm told by the feedback from the team and the media, I'm getting requests from Qatar, Oman, Bahrain, Kuwait, everywhere people want us to go. Saudi Arabia. So I think we'll expand the road shows next year. Of course, we have to plan. It costs some money. So as long as there are people to help us organize and put people in groups, because it's more effective. So me going Kamu Plaza 11111. If we can like this now, I want to thank the president here, Mohamed Suruga, who has helped organize the teams and get people together. Once we have people together, we can send the message to a few people or many people, and they can spread. Then we can use our online solutions and so on to make sure people get served. But yes, next year or even early next year, we'll be looking at it. Of course, we also cognizant, for example, of the weather. It's very hot sometimes and so on. So we have to plan.
Yeah, of course.
But I think the view is we are very clear about our agenda. Ugandans anywhere in the world deserve to have their lives transformed, deserve to be given dignity no matter what they're doing, and deserve the opportunity to make wealth. Somebody must help them do that. Equity is the one which has come to say, no, we will take that mantle. We will come into the field, listen to your problems, get you solutions, leave you better, socially and economically. So for me, that is the mission. That is the purpose. That's why you're doing all these things. So yes, please look out for us very soon. In the meantime, you can reach us on Ugandans abroad. I think they'll share a link. They'll give you phone numbers to reach us at, and we begin planning and organizing. If you want us to come, organize yourselves, reach out to the team. I've also got to plan myself as well because there are many things to do. But nothing is more important to me than the customer in addressing their concerns and giving them a chance to succeed in life. So I look forward to being invited. The team is available, and we'll keep doing this until we save and improve the life of every Ugandan everywhere in the world. Thank you very much.
Before you go, small about this. We've seen you guys come through here in the UAE. Someone is there like asking himself, can I become a stakeholder, a shareholder? How about that?
Yes, Equity Group Holdings, the parent company of Equity, is listed on the stock exchanges in Uganda, in Kenya, obviously, in Nairobi Stock Exchange, and I believe it's in Rwanda, I'll confirm. Yes. And when you buy the shares, you're not buying Equity Uganda. You're buying the shares of the big business, which is of almost $20 billion of value. So you can go to a stock exchange and buy those shares. You can come to us and we'll help you through a process of actually acquiring shares because we want people to own. I'll give an example. NSSF Uganda owns 2.5% of Equity Group. NSSF Uganda invested in Equity Group, 2.5%. Now, every year we give them a very big check in terms of dividends and profits. So you can also do the same thing for any Ugandans who invest by buying shares in the organization. Of course, otherwise you can participate. If it's more direct, is if you're an agent of the bank, we pay you a commission for servicing our customers. And yes, we're looking for agents. We have a few. We're looking for more agents in the diaspora to help us because sometimes, yes, the system can be on, but people want to speak to people. So somebody wants a human touch sometimes. So our agents in the diaspora can come. So if you have a business, you have a good following, please talk to our team. We will vet you. We'll tell you what our rules are. We'll agree what commissions we pay for account opening, for service, and so on and so forth. And we share the profits because you're saving me a cost of setting up a branch in Dubai. Yeah. You're serving the customers, meeting their needs.
All right. So you have a chance to join the Equity Bank Group so that you can grow together with them. Okay, thank you so much. I've been here today, and that is me, Amani Usof, Wilson Pro. I've been here with Mr. Anthony, and I think we've had all the answers which we wanted to hear today. We are not closing yet. We are still going to have so many more other talkings about this, so you get to see that. We are going in for a press conference. Stay tuned in to DF Media.
Thank you very much.